Deep in the heart of the Mekong Delta, vast carpets of water hyacinth cover the rivers, posing a significant environmental challenge for the local ecosystem and communities. What was once considered a problematic weed is now being reimagined through the lens of high-tech innovation and a vision for a cleaner, greener fashion future. The Mekong River provides the raw canvas for this technological masterpiece, where the humble water hyacinth begins its journey from a wild plant to a luxury garment. By capturing the inherent strength of these aquatic plants, we unlock a hidden treasure of natural fibers that are both incredibly resilient and surprisingly soft to touch. Every stem contains a complex network of cellulose, waiting to be purified and transformed into a high-performance textile that challenges the standards of traditional luxury materials. Within this advanced facility, the bridge between raw nature and sophisticated technology is built, marking the first step in a revolution for the global fashion industry. The transformation begins with an intensive cleaning process, using high-pressure water systems to strip away impurities while preserving the essential structural integrity of the plant fibers. Precision is paramount as advanced laser technology prepares the organic matter, ensuring every piece is perfectly sized for the specialized biochemical extraction process that follows immediately. Using eco-friendly green chemistry, the plants are gently processed in specialized bioreactors, dissolving non-essential elements to reveal the pure cellulose heart of the water hyacinth. This stage is a delicate dance of science and nature, where biological enzymes work to refine the material without the need for harsh or toxic chemicals. Our unique extraction method ensures that the resulting cellulose is of the highest purity, forming the foundation for a fabric that is as sustainable as it is. As the fibers emerge, they reveal a natural luster and strength that rivals the finest silks, yet they are derived entirely from a renewable aquatic source. We carefully filter and harvest the refined pulp, ensuring that every batch meets our rigorous standards for quality, consistency, and environmental responsibility throughout the entire process. Every stage of the extraction is monitored by expert technicians and AI systems to guarantee the perfect balance of molecular strength and textile flexibility for spinning. Once purified and dried, this remarkable organic material is ready to be transformed into the next generation of high-performance yarns for the luxury, intimate apparel market. The magic happens in the spinning chamber, where liquid cellulose is extruded through microscopic apertures to create filaments that are thinner and stronger than natural spider silk. These nanofibers represent the pinnacle of textile engineering, offering a level of fineness and durability that was previously impossible to achieve with standard plant-based materials. Through a process of controlled stretching and alignment, the fibers gain incredible elasticity and a smooth surface, thus making them ideal for high-end garments that require perfection. The factory floor hums with the sound of progress as thousands of spools collect the newly formed nano hyacinth yarn, ready to be woven into something extraordinary. Speed and precision are synchronized in this mechanical ballet, where every rotation of the machinery brings us closer to a more sustainable future for global fashion. Advanced robotic sensors scan every inch of the thread with infrared precision, ensuring that only the most flawless fibers are selected for the final weaving process. Our zero-defect policy is maintained by automated systems that detect and eliminate inconsistencies instantly, guaranteeing a uniform quality that meets the highest luxury industry standards. These spools of nano hyacinth yarn are now ready for the master weavers, carrying the essence of the river and the power of modern scientific innovation. At just 0.5 denier, this yarn is significantly finer than traditional silk, providing an unparalleled level of softness and comfort for the most sensitive areas of skin. The weaving phase utilizes advanced 3D knitting technology to create a sophisticated fabric structure that offers multi-directional stretch and exceptional breathability for the modern woman. As the fabric takes shape, its unique matte luster and incredible drape become apparent, signaling the birth of a material that is truly superior in every way. The intricate 3D architecture of the weave allows for optimal air circulation, ensuring that the final garment remains cool and comfortable even in the most demanding environments. To enhance its natural softness, the fabric undergoes a specialized bioenzyme treatment that smooths every fiber, and making it feel like a second skin when worn daily. This process creates a textile that is hypoallergenic and exceptionally gentle, perfect for the delicate requirements of luxury lingerie and high-end intimate apparel for modern women. Roll after roll of this revolutionary textile are completed, representing a significant victory for sustainable production and a new standard for the entire fashion industry's supply chain. Beyond its beauty, the fabric retains the natural antibacterial properties of the water hyacinth plant, offering long-lasting freshness and hygiene without the use of synthetic additives. Human expertise and robotic precision work in harmony to inspect every square centimetre of the fabric, ensuring that only perfection reaches the hands of our master tailors. The fabric now moves to the final stage of its journey, where it will be transformed from a flat textile into a masterpiece of wearable luxury art. In the crafting studio, high-precision lasers follow intricate digital patterns, cutting each component with a level of accuracy that is impossible to achieve with traditional manual methods. This digital cutting process ensures a perfect fit for every size, while simultaneously minimizing waste and maximizing the efficient use of our precious, sustainable hyacinth fabric. Advanced robotics take over the assembly, using sophisticated vision systems to align every seam with sub-millimeter precision, ensuring the highest level of structural integrity and comfort. By utilizing high-tech thermal bonding instead of traditional stitching, we create a truly seamless finish that eliminates irritation and provides a sleek, modern aesthetic under any clothing. This seamless technology represents the future of intimate apparel, while where comfort and style are no longer a compromise but a harmonious fusion of engineering and high-end design. The final touch is the addition of our signature rose gold hardware, a symbol of the luxury and craftsmanship that defines every piece of our sustainable collection. Each garment undergoes a rigorous final quality check, ensuring that the journey from the river to the final product has resulted in nothing less than absolute perfection. The transformation is complete. What was once a humble river plant has become a pinnacle of luxury fashion, ready to be worn by the world's most discerning women. Witness the revolution of hyacinth silk, a material that defines the future of luxury by proving that sustainability and high-end fashion can coexist in perfect harmony. With its breathtaking beauty and unparalleled comfort, this garment is a testament to what is possible when we respect nature and embrace the power of technology. From the flowing rivers of the Mekong to the world's most prestigious fashion runways, we are redefining what it means to be truly sustainable and luxurious today. Experience the dawn of a new era where nature's resilience meets human ingenuity, transforming an invasive plant into the most exquisite and sustainable textile ever created.